Hey guys, it's Willie here. Beautiful morning. It's Saturday, and we're gonna take the V to Adrian to add some resonators because the drone with that new OBX exhaust, it's kind of unbearable. Sign up. I left it open overnight. Oops. Good thing it didn't rain. I would have been in deep trouble. Man, she looks pretty. And here are the resonators. A tiny little box because they're tiny little resonators because we don't want to change the sound much at all. Because I really like how it sounds. It's just the drone. You see? It's a teeny tiny little resonator. Made by Total Flow. Like I say, it's pretty small. Straight through design. Well, hopefully it's enough to, get that drone at around 2,000 RPMs gone. Because that's usually where the car sits when I'm driving. And that's kind of sucks. So let's go. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can register it. The camera can register, but it is bad. We made it to Adrian's. I'm just gonna wait for my Uber to go to work. Man, she looks pretty. And it rained a couple days ago, and it stays pretty clean. So I don't really drive it, but I'll try to tell you guys, I corrected the hood because it had some water spots. Let's do some paint correction on it Monday, and it's nice and shiny. When I get a chance, I'll do the whole car.